Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to explore Canva Visual Docs. Canva have launched their docs here. As you can see, you can use it as an alternative of Google Doc or Microsoft Doc now. And as you can see guys, there have a lots of feature available. If I show you, they have template and then text editing and formatting tool, free images, icons, graphics, real-time collaboration, Magic Write. And this Magic Write is basically one AI writing feature. So you are getting AI writing feature also inside Canva, and then you will get doc inside, magic shortcut, customizable chart and table. You can access it on any device, and then you will get feature by which you can share it easily. You can invite your team member, built-in comment, auto save, font library, and cloud storage you will get. And see, if you go to the dashboard of Canva, from here you will get one option named doc. See, this is doc, and if you search here just doc, then also you will get this doc option. Now let's say I'll click here, and then see, it will show you a lot of templates. Basically, see, there have a lot of template. Let it be loaded. See guys, it has been loaded. Now from here, let me click here on this see all section, and see guys, then you will be redirected to this interface, and see, there have a lots of templates available guys. A lots of templates are available here. See, they have a lots of template. Also you can create your docs from blank, and see, they have different style: blank, fancy, minimalist, clean, minimal, modern. If you click here view more, then aesthetic, professional, classic, lines, photos, a lots of templates are available, and they have different theme and different style. So these are the things. And now at first I will explore the blank doc there, so that I can show you every feature that are available. So I'll click here on this create a blank doc, and then you will be redirected to here. See guys, this is one blank doc, and there you can change font, you can change font size, and every customization feature are available here. If you are familiar with Canva, if you used Canva previously, then these features that you are seeing above and these features that you are seeing in the left hand side, then they are basically old. But the thing that is new on this Canva is this Canva Docs. See, here you can use it as your Google Doc or Microsoft Word alternative. See, here just click here on this plus icon. Also, if you just click on slash button from your keyboard, you will get this feature set. See, design feature, then a heading, subheading, body, then embed feature. You will also get table, checklist, bulleted list, numbered list, emoji, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, timer, then logos, help. Let's say we will add one logo at first. Just click here logo, and then they're saying that sorry, we could not find any logos for this. Try searching something related. Okay, so let's say I will add here some design. So if I click here on design, then let's see what happened. Then it will redirect you to their design panel basically, and from here you have to design it. That means the design that you want to put here, you have to design it from here basically. Let's say I'll use this one, the future of technology. Let's say this one I will use, and then you can customize these things, but I'm not customizing these things right now. I'll just give here a name. Let's say doc test design will be the name, and then I'll just click here save, and then it will be added here. I think, see, it has been added here. I hope you get idea. And then let's say you want to add here one title. So if I click here, and then they have heading, and then let's say the future of technology, and then here I want to add one subheading. Let's say as subheading I will add my website name .com, and then let's say here have option for body, and there have option for table. So if I want to add one body, so I'll just click here body, and then here I have to write something, right? So now let me get some writing guys, just for dummy purpose. See, there have some text. I think I will copy this text from here. Let me copy it, and then now if I enter here again, and then I can add here one embed code. Let's say I want to embed here something. Let's say I will embed here one of my YouTube video. So I will paste my embed link here. In your case, if you want to embed anything else, you can paste it here. Let's say my URL is this URL, and then I'll just click here on this enter button from my keyboard, and then see, the video that I wanted to embed will be embedded here. And see, this is the video. So these are the things. And then let's say I want to add here one table. So if I just click here table, then see here you can select how many column and how many row you want. Let's say I want here 5 column and 4 rows, and then I will just enter here, and this table will be added here. And then now you can add here data. Let me add here some data quickly, guys. Let's say, guys, these are the data, and now you can customize this data from here. You can bold it, you can italic it, you can do a lot of customization features are available here. I'm not doing anything. And let's say you want to increase or decrease the um, size of the column or the size of the row, you can do it also from here. As you can see, I'm doing it. So these are the things. After that, there have a feature for checklist. So they have three types of checklist: checklist, bulleted list, and numbered list. Let's say I will add here at first one subheading, and then here as subheading I will add, let's say I'll add here list of branch, and then here I will add some bulleted text. Let's say here, let's say I will add some bulleted text. Let's say branch 1, branch 2, and branch 3. So these are the things. And similarly, if you want, you can add here any checklist if you want. Let's say check 1, check 2, and check 3. Let's say these are our checklist. So in this way you can add here checklist. Now see, there have a lot of more feature. If I click here, and then there have emoji, you can add here emoji. If I select here emoji, and then you will get this emojis basically here. Let me show you. See, let's say I will add this emoji here, and then this emoji will be added. If I want to add more emoji, then I have to go to this emoji section again, and then from here I can search emoji, which emoji I want. Also I can add the emoji, but the thing is I have to add the emojis one by one here. It's a problem, I think. Let's say I want to add more than one emojis at a time, so it's not possible yet, but I hope it will be possible in future. After that, they have pie chart. Now let's say I'll add here some pie chart. Let me go down, and then here if I select the pie chart, then let's see what happened. See, one pie chart will be created here basically, and you can change the data from here. From here you can change the data. Just notice at the left hand side, see, here is the data, guys. If you change the data, let's say I will give here not 10%, I will give here 20%, and then the data will be changed, the pie chart will be changed. I hope you get idea. Also you can upload your data by Google Sheet. Also you can upload it as CSV. I hope you get idea. And these features was previously available on Canva also, but the thing that is new is you are able to create doc here basically. Similarly, you can add here bar chart, line chart, timer. Let's say I will add here on timer. So see, this is the timer, guys. Now here here the timer will be added here. I hope you get idea. Now see, another cool feature here available are, you can convert it. Now how can I convert it? You can convert this doc into a presentation. So automatically they will convert it into a presentation, but at first let me here download it. See, if I click here download, then you can download it in different paper size: A4, A3, letter, and legal size are available. Let's say I will select here A4 size, and then I will download it. See, guys, it has been downloading, and just give some time, it will be downloaded. So it has been downloaded. Let me open this PDF now from here. See, guys, this is the PDF, and from here the video will not work as it's a PDF, but the links are working. See, there had one links are working. So this is one table, and this are the emojis colors are not working, and here you are seeing the pie chart, but the pie chart has not been extracted completely also. So this tool is new, so I hope they will solve the feature in future. There have some problems. See, I have added here this pie chart, but here in this PDF the complete pie chart is not available. So this is one problem, I think. So these are the things. And then now let's say I will convert in it into a presentation. So if I just click here on this convert section, then if I click here get started, then see it will give you some template. That means which template you like, then you have to choose the template, and then your doc will be converted into your template. Let's say I like one, let's say I like this one, the future of technology. You are seeing here blue color, so I'll select here, and then it will show you the preview. See, this is the preview of your doc, and it looks so much good, guys. I hope you are getting the idea. Now let's say you do not like it, you like this one, the yellow one, so just click here, and then you will get the converted PDF. So these are the things, sorry, converted presentation. Now let's say I like this one, so if I like this one, then I'll just click here on this create presentation, and then see, boom, the presentation has been created. So also this Canva doc you can use as your presentation creator. I hope you get idea. It can be also work as a Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slide alternative, guys. So see, this is the presentation, and it looks very good. It looks very good, as you can see. Here is the video, and then this is the table, and this is the pie chart, and as you can see, these are the list that I have created. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, and from here, if anything is missing, you can definitely customize these things from here. I hope you get idea. Now you can present it in different way. If I want to present it, just click here on this present, and then they have different type: standard, autoplay, present, presenter view, and present and record. Let's say I will select here standard, and then I can just present it. See, here is the presentation. How amazing it is, right? See, so it's very professional, guys. I hope you get idea. It's a very professional looking presentation. So these are the things, and I hope you are familiar with Canva presentation also. It looks very nice. So these are the things. Let me shrink it, guys. So see, this is the presentation. I hope you get idea, guys, about the Canva doc or the Canva visual docs, and this is a new feature, I think, available on Canva. If you think you want to explore this feature, it's also available on Canva free. I think you can create one account for free. I'll give the Canva URL in the description of this video. And if you think you will not design it from blank doc, see, there have some previously created template. Let's say you want to use this one, you like this one, so you can just use it. Also, let's say you want to create one template or one doc for your corporate job or for your company. You can just select here company, and then you will get the doc that are specifically designed for companies. See, these are the company designs, guys. Now from here, let's say I like this one. Let's say I like the first one. So if I just click here, and then you will get the template for your doc. Let me show you, guys. See, this is the template, and now you can customize it by your own. And let's say you have customized it by your own depending on your need, and then you can convert it into one presentation. So just click here get started, and from here select one presentation type. Let's say I'll select this one. Let me here, let it be loaded. Let's say I'll select this one. If I just click here, and then I can see the preview of my presentation, and if I like it, if everything okay, then I can just click here on this create my presentation, and then your presentation will be created. See, guys, this is the presentation, and I haven't done anything here. It completely auto generated presentation by Canva, as you can see, and here you can do little customization, and then your presentation will be done. I hope you get idea, guys, about this feature, about this visual doc feature of Canva. If you think you like this feature, you need to use this feature, then I'll give the URL of Canva. I'll give the URL of Canva visual docs in the description of this video. It's completely free. You can try it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and the link given in the description is an affiliate link. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.